Now, QC department and warehouse department like Aniket, how they will approve the document, how to approve the ASN document after vendor portal used by vendor and vendor created the ASN, then how they will approve it. That is the procedure I will show you now. So QC department will have this type of cloud ID. They have to click on start app. So for QC department, I have made a user ID called QC. So they will use their login ID password. They will click on OK. Click OK. When QC department went to vendor side and they verified all the details that every parameter checked and they have got to know either it's approved or not approved. They have to inform to warehouse team. So for that, they what they need to do, they need to click on my messages. Because when vendor got created the ASN, it will come here for approval. Now QC department now eligible to see how many document is pending for approval. If QC department approves, then it will trigger for trigger for Aniket to approve it again. So now just assume that vendor QC department came here and they are looking into that. Okay, ASN is there, then what is the quantity and all the information you will show over against the SQ. If it's required to approve, then they can click approve event to approve. Another is option is also there to print preview. If they want to click on print preview, they can click on print preview to view the print design. This is option one, and option two is the in downside it's showing that this is the information. Now, if QC department want to approve it, just click on approve event. So now what happened? QC department approved it for dispatch. Now warehouse team have to inform that when that stock should send to warehouse. So for that, what they can do now, there is a user called Aniket who is looking after the warehouse process. He have to approve the consignment to dispatch from vendor side. So he will log in by their user. Aniket Aniket is the second user who have to use their login ID password to log in. When he will click there, then he also have to log in here only. Now he have to approve the document, but before approving, he have to see that okay, is there any document for approval or not? Just a minute. Okay, when user clicked on message button, it will show to Niket that how many documents are pending for approval. Now, as I have tested for one ASN 325, it's showing that okay, this is the document which need to be approval. So before approval the document, Aniket have to do a process like he have to go purchase stock inward process. Here ASN process GRN option is there. Then delivery node against purchase order option is there. So what he have to do? He have to go to the document to share the delivery date before approval. So when it will clear, when he will search it, all the essence showing over here. So now the 325 number he have to he have to approve. So either he can use like this filter for searching the document like that 325 number. This is option one. Or he can use the purchase order number against which purchase he want to against which purchase order that ASN got created, or the filter date like that DNO creation like document number is like 19. So multiple criteria are there, or item selection is also there. So anyway, he have to select the document to which against which that document he have to pass the delivery date, in-house date, everything. So now there is option called in-house expected date. So today is 19. He informed to the vendor, okay, you send the stock by uh, 24th of February. So he just click on next and save it. When he save it, okay, delivery date is sorry, in-house date and delivery date should be 21 and in-house expedition date on 24. So maybe the transit period will be required 3 to 4 days. So he can select that date and save it. So ASM 335 updated. Now what he can do, the approval system is still on. Just refresh it and oh, it's saved. Just a minute. Okay, so basically when Aniket added the delivery date in house date, then he had to approve the document. So just approve the document. Yes. So Aniket have done their his task. Now it will show to vendor for the dispatch procedure. Now it will show over vendor portal how to do the next process. This is the approval process what I have shown you for QC department and Aniket. Thank you.